Why is it so prevalent?
How do you feel when you have to feel something? Something bad.
Resistive, like very...
Yeah. So, and you think about it, how many of us, like, not only, like, if you feel that now, you have children, right? Yeah. You're going to try to get them to feel the same as you do. You don't want them to feel just like you don't want you to feel. And every generation has this thing of, I don't want the next generation to feel. And then not only that, now we've got like higher a population amount of all of us that don't want to feel. And then on top of that, in modern society, we have the ability to meet our addictions with more comfort, with more opportunity. So, you know, nowadays, it's very rare for a person in the West to experience half an hour of discomfort. You know, bit warm, turn on the aircon. You know, I'm a bit hungry, go and get something to eat. There's no waiting for, you know, the discomfort to build. It's like and many of us are now so sensitive to discomfort that just a minor amount of discomfort and we're in a rage. Like, we're like beyond reasonable. You know, you see it when you're travelling in a plane a lot, right? It's like, what's this meal? What? You know, or, you know, there's all sorts of things that people do just because of minor discomforts. Yeah.